In ArmoníaPlus, delay adjustments of speakers or a group of speakers can be done directly in the workspace. To do that, we go under Tune and Delay. We then select a group of loudspeakers, for example the subs, and we can use the fader to delay the output signal in these speakers. Or we can type in a delay time or even a distance, to which ArmoníaPlus will automatically calculate the equivalent delay time. Let's work on another example, and this time we will select two subs and apply 3 milliseconds of delay to them. Then we select another two subs and apply a delay of 6 milliseconds. And finally to the two external subs, 9 milliseconds. We've just managed to easily create a subwoofer arc delay. And if we need to apply further delays to the entire arc, we can do this by simply selecting the entire group and giving the necessary additional delay, so that we can ship the entire subs group from the main and front fill arrays. And this is how you can work with delay adjustments in ArmoníaPlus.